Two main areas are being explored with plants and climate change. One is slowing climate change by capturing carbon, and the second is making plants more resistant to heat, drought, disease and salinity so crops don't fail. In terms of carbon capture, plants are being engineered that contain Suberin, which is essentially cork and doesn't degrade, to capture the carbon. These plants are also being developed to produce deeper roots, so the Suberin is buried in the soil. For the heat, drought, disease and salinity resistant plants, several ideas are being explored. In terms of plants tackling pollution, the rabbit gene P450-2E1 has been cloned into devil's ivy. Cytochrome P450-2E1 is an enzyme found in the liver, and it metabolises a wide range of chemicals, including potential cytotoxic and carcinogenic agents. The idea here is you grow the plants in an urban environment and in houses, and they absorb harmful chemicals from the air and break them down.